Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for being here. And today we have great news. Martin Odegaard on the transfer list, transfer target for Arsenal Football Club. Massive news, big player, big talent. Arsenal making the move, and we are. Thank you very much for tuning me. Before I do anything, please drop a like and subscribe. Subscribe for more content like these. Now, let me get into the player's profile. This player is a 22-year-old Norwegian player, and we have seen. So, Martin Odegaard. I'm going to get into the player's profile, but before I do that, please drop a like, share, and subscribe. Touch the subscription button, people, for more content like these. Now, Martin Odegaard, he wears number 21 for Real Madrid. He's 22 years of age, and he's from Norway. He's a Norwegian. That is where you saw he made his first debut at the Norwegian club, and it wasn't a big club, but it is where he started his career, and he has to appreciate it. So he started his career at Strømsgodset, and at age 15, in April 2014. In January 2015, we were signed for Real Madrid to play under Zinedine Zidane for the U team. Now, from January 2015 to May 2015, playing under Zinedine Zidane, you would realize that this player is far beyond the quality, that he has the quality to move to the first team. And he made his first debut, actually he became the youngest debutant for Real Madrid at 16 years old and 157 days. And that tells a lot about this player and the talent and the quality that he has. And it has to be appreciated. Now, since then, he haven't really kicked on the right way, but the potential is there. The age profile is there, and I think he's the right profile for Arsenal Football Club. In June 2019, he signs for Real Sociedad on a loan after spells at Erevin and Vitesse. Now, I'm not going to go in all those details in Erevin and Vitesse, but I am going to go into details in when he's fully matured and playing in La Liga as well. Now, whilst he was at Real Sociedad, he made 22 appearances. This statistics is from last season, and it is in comparison to Luka Modric. And the reason why they use Luka Modric, because Luka Modric is a similar profile player, a bit more of a box-to-box Luka Modric maybe, and Odegaard is an attacking midfield player. He's predominantly on the left, and no, on the right, sorry, my bad, he's predominantly on the right, but he's an attacking midfield player. Now, he had 22 appearances. Luka Modric had 47, and 1 off bench each. 4 goals from Odegaard and 3 for Luka Modric. 5 assists for Odegaard and 7 for Luka Modric. Now, in tackles per 90, Odegaard he had 0.9, and Luka Modric had 1.6. Now, we have to take in consideration that Luka Modric played double the amount of games that Odegaard played. Dribbles per 90, we have 2.5 for Odegaard and 1.7 for Luka Modric. His dribble success rate is 62.2% for Odegaard and 77.6% for Luka Modric. For last season, according to WhoScored.com rating, Odegaard ratings for last season was 7.29, whilst Luka Modric was 7.41. Now, and these are strong stats, knowing that he's going up against the likes of Luka Modric, and they're playing in the same league. And now, if you should consider the quality that Luka Modric has around him in comparison to what he has around him. Now, I'm going to get into more details in regards to his overall appearances for Real Sociedad last season. He had 31 appearances, 29 matches. He started 29 matches. He played 2,533 minutes. He had 50 shots in overall, 16 on target with a shot percentage of 32% accuracy. 4 goals, 63% dribble success rate. No, sorry, my bad. 63 successful dribbles at a successful rate of 60.5%. that is not really high, but for an attacking midfield player playing in the high end of the pitch, that is quality. Short pass accuracy is 85.9% with a cross accuracy of 30%, and that is really high. 6 assists, 62 key passes, 10 big chances created, 50% tackle success rate, 17 interception, 10 area duels won, 3 clearances, 15 blocks, 24 fouls committed, and 3 yellow cards. Now, these are statistics to show his overall play whilst he was at Real Sociedad during the period. Now, as you can look on the screen, you'll see his chance created location where these are started. And from open play, you can see where the keys on the map are showing you. Also, the free kicks that are taken, free kicks that are won, his rebound shots, his crosses, his corners, and also from the color duration, you can see the outcome for yellow for goal, blue for defended, red for miss and 12 save, and purple for hitting the woodwork. And you can see there's a lot of saves and there's a lot of miss as well. Only 1 goal, but you can see that this young lad has a lot of potential, vast potential. Now look at the screen, as you can see there, these are the type of play that we would definitely get from him, where he would come inside, bring the ball onto his left foot and try to get it around to his man on the far left. Now these are the type of players that you see, similar play from players such as Hakim Ziyech or Mesut Ozil. These are similar style of player. As you can see in regards to formation, you will see that he is predominantly on the right, and you can see from the angles of the arrows showing you where he loves to go, and he loves to get in behind his defender or cut onto his left foot and maybe take off a shot on the left or on the right. You can see from his heat map where the intensity lies on the pitch as well. Now look at his pass map. He has a variety of passes, long passes, short passes, interchanges passes. Also, he loves to punch forward on the counter, bringing the ball, relieving the defense under pressure. You can see there on the screen again where we played his player in line, playing the through ball, and that this actually was against his former team, Real Madrid, and he played him inside. Beautiful pass, splitting the defense. Now, also you can see now where his pass map as well, but it is not much. Is won and also is lost. But in essence, this player is a quality player, and these are some of the things that ODEGAARD would bring to the team in regards to statistics and his profile of the type of player that he wants. Now, my preference would be Buendia, because Buendia is already Premier League proven, but we cannot deny the fact that ODEGAARD is quality and he has the potential to move mountains. Now, a 6 months loan is something that is a card that we can play as Arsenal Football Club. We can play this card. He's a young player. He has time, and if he does not kicks on right away, you can make the decision either to re-sign him or he should just go back to his parent club. Now, this is not much, but it's enough to give you a bit of details into the in regards to the player himself, and let you get to understand a little bit more about the player. So I hope this has been a bit of information for you. So thank you very much for tuning in, and before you go, as I would say, drop a like, touch the subscription button, and this is Military Guna TV, and I am out.